Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate your Citibank debit card or my Citibank debit card. So, of course, first of all, you would like to have an activated account or an account at Citibank. If you don't, of course, you'll have to go to citi.com and go to citi.com, then simply go here and click on open an account and make sure to go and open your account. I've already made a video more detailed on how to create an account. You can go and check it out. So now how to activate your card. All you need to do, go again to this URL section and type activate my debit card, add city bank, hit the enter button, and as you can see, you'll find here activate where you can activate your card. And if you need more steps, as example, there's here more steps. Like example, they will show you like the activation process. So first you'll have to activate your card, input the card number, validate the DOB, select the pin, and your card will be ready. So you can click on this link, which is citi.com/activate card, and here you'll have to enter following the steps. As you can see, enter 16 digits card number following by the CVV, and of course, after that, you will have to complete all the fields marked with an asterisk are required as an example. And after doing that, so as example here, you can enter whatever it is. I don't know. I'm just entering here some random numbers. And as example, let's just say it's like that. We can go and click on continue. Of course, for us, they will tell me an error because I entered some random numbers here. But for you, all you need to do, of course, enter your good numbers and you will be going to the next step, which is validating the DOB. Then you will have to select the PIN, which is 4 digits. Then, of course, you will be able to receive your card activation confirmation, and your or your Citibank card will be activated without any problems. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.